Very easy to use cane. Check it out here.
Hi everyone, Rebecca here, and today I'm going to be introducing you to this walking cane wood chair. This was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get this box open and see what we have.
As I open the box, I do notice that the material seems very durable. I feel like this is going to last a long time. There's the handle that it came with. It also has a strap to put it around your wrist to make it easy for you to handle it. Here is a set of instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You can see the bottom. It does have those anti-slip bottoms for the cane, and they do adjust to however you need to sit on it. This walking cane with chair is adjustable. It does fit for the cane part up to 37 inches, and it can go as low as 31 inches. So you can really adjust it to whatever the height is that makes it comfortable for you to use this cane. Put it down by my side so I can adjust it correctly. And it's so easy. Once I adjust it to my height, then I just twist the lock in place, and it's sure to stay where I leave it. Now, as I walked with it, I did notice that it was really non-slip. I really like the fact that it was lightweight. It was easy to use. And now let's go over the chair that you sit on. Now, this is made with a very thick aircraft aluminum and makes it very durable. It can hold up to 400 pounds on the seat. Let me go over the clamps. Now, the clamps seem like they were going to be durable and long lasting. You can see how I flip it down. Now look at that seat. It is curved perfectly so you can have long periods of sit time with the seat. Now, with ease, I was able to put it back up and be right back to walking with my cane. This 2-in-1 cane would be perfect for camping, lawn walks, or if you're doing yard work around your home, it will be perfect.